In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach documents to Constant Contact email address. Before you start, it is important to know that Constant Contact does not place traditional file attachments directly into most marketing emails. Instead, you upload your document to the Constant Contact library, and then you add a link to it inside your email. This is a clean and reliable method that helps keep email sizes small and improves deliverability. Begin by going to the top menu in your Constant Contact account. Click Assets, then select Library. This is where your account stores files that you can reuse in different campaigns. Once you are in the library, click Upload and then choose My Computer. At this point, you can add the document you want people to access. You can drag and drop the file into the upload area, or you can browse on your computer and select it manually. Constant Contact supports common formats like PDF, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. As a quick tip, use a clear file name so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you upload several versions of the same document. After you have selected your file, click Upload Files. Wait for the upload to finish, and then click Done. Your document is now stored in the library and ready to be linked inside your email. Next, you will add the link to your email content. Open the email you are designing, and in your template editor, drag a button block into the layout where you want the document link to appear. A button is a great choice because it is clear, easy to tap on mobile, and encourages clicks. Click the button to open its editor. Then click the link icon, which looks like a chain link. In the link options, open the drop-down menu and select Document. This tells Constant Contact that you want the button to link to a file from your library. Now choose the file you uploaded from the library list and click Insert. Your button is now connected to that document, so when someone clicks it, they will be taken to the file. That covers everything you need to know.